The mysterious month-long disappearance of a prominent attorney ended dramatically today when Jan Weinberg showed up for the last day of his divorce trial. It was the latest twist in the multi-million-dollar divorce involving former soap opera star Brenda Dixon. KITV4's Daryl Huff has been following the case from the very beginning. He joins us now. Daryl, why did Weinberg flee with so much to lose?
Well, he told the judge, Paula, that he felt he was already going to lose big after being ordered to pay Brenda Dixon $500,000. So he said he chose to skip town, but he still hasn't answered every question.
It's become a media circus. It's become a joke.
The case first made headlines 4 years ago when former Young and Restless star Brenda Dixon was ordered to jail for refusing to give up her Southern California condo, and back in court used a Nazi salute to show her opinion of the judge.
No, is that correct?
She was vindicated when appeals courts ordered a new trial to divide the couple's property, which Weinberg skipped.
I left town to avoid the media circus. I left town in order not to subject myself to the type of, I would call it, humiliation and degradation of having to deal with these court proceedings and the media circus that derived.
Weinberg's attorney said Weinberg had an emotional breakdown, but Dixon's attorney argued Weinberg could have mediated in private and that he had the presence of mind to transfer $1.8 million from his bank accounts before leaving.
That orders were not complied with. While I understand the situation Mr. Weinberg found himself placed in, it does not excuse him.
As Weinberg trembled, the judge found him in contempt, ordering him to pay $348,000 to Dixon, which could be just the beginning of what he is likely to owe in the end. He said he returned to be a good example to his grown children from a prior marriage.
I've taught my family that they're to face up to obstacles, that they're to confront them, and yet for this one, I didn't have the stamina or the wherewithal to subject myself to this type of media circus.
Now, we wanted to ask Weinberg where he'd been and about the money his ex claims he's hiding, but his attorney ended our interview. Weinberg told the judge he doesn't have much money left, and the bad publicity and a contempt citation will make it harder to rebuild his practice. Reporting live, Daryl Huff, KITV4 News.